Hey guys, so today I'm going to be riding with Matt and Joe. Currently outside, it's pretty much a blizzard, so but they're not here yet, so I'm gonna eat food and I'll be hopefully they'll be here soon. So yeah. So Joe and Matt just got here. Joe is the one in the green. Matt, that's Matt. They're just not gonna look over at me. Well, right now I am gonna be warming up on the micro over here. So yeah, here's the clips. Right now I'm going to be still warming up, but I'm hitting the pump tracks, which is right there. But yeah, so.
Like a toy.
Well, I'm just saying, like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, do everything the algorithm likes so I can become big, so I can make an I Heart Joe sticker and sell them. Is that right, Joe? You wanna? Yeah.
I want that sticker.
He's a disabled veteran, so you better do it. I believe in you. I believe in you. the beginner area with Joe, Matt, and it's hard to see but Colin. And we're just gonna film here for a bit. So yeah.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extraordinary.
So we are all gonna head over to the expert jump line, which is this one right here, and we're just gonna session that for a bit for now. Hopefully we do good. So yeah.